Thayers. I've never tried this brand before, but I've always wanted to try their toner. So, well, but this one, that's the plain one. I wanted the plain one. This is a 2% AHA toner. This, oh, it has witch hazel, which I need. I love witch hazel. Glycolic and lactate acids. So, supposedly, this hides your pores. Supposedly, within 1 week, you're gonna look good. So, yeah. So you're supposed to use this twice daily after cleansing, and basically it's $14.99. So this you can buy at Target and store online everywhere. So I'm reading this. It's cruelty free. It's vegan. It sounds nice. Fragrance free, which I love. So this brand looks like it's good for sensitive skin, but the thing is, AHA you can't really mix with retinol, I don't think. You have to use SUNSCREEN, I think. There are certain ingredients you can mix, so, or you can go out in the sun. If you do, you have to put a lot of sunscreen and keep reapplying throughout the day, because you don't want to get damaged skin. So this looks like it has orange. I don't forget. It's a big bottle. Okay. Wow, it has a bunch of ingredients. Damn. Since the 1800s, I don't trust the 1800s people. They didn't shower, brush their teeth. How am I gonna trust them when it comes to skincare and personal hygiene? Like, they didn't do it themselves. Why are they selling these things? I'm just kidding. It was kind of different packaging. It looks cool. Okay, this is good for all skin types. So thanks so much. So Thayers for sending me this. So bye. Thanks for watching. Hi, so today I'm gonna review more about Thayers. So I tried, not the hair, oh my gosh, I tried this for like a month or so, and this worked. Like, if y'all can see my before and after pictures, I'm gonna put them here. I used them on my leg, and I had COVID like twice, and the second time those little bumps appeared on my legs. I don't know why, and right here in my arm. I forget to put it here, but it's because it just left me scarring, not so much bumps, but the legs, there were still bumps. And what, months passed? I can't remember. I think, or a year. Girl, I don't know. But anyways, so, oh, and I love my makeup today. All of these products are from Temu, and well, not the lips, but the some face and eye product and the lashes. Oh my gosh. Anyways, sorry, I'm getting distracted. So what, okay, so this works, so I recommend it. I haven't used it on my face yet. Maybe one day in a separate video I'll test it out on my face, because I really want to, you know, get rid of scarring and everything. Like, right now I'm breaking out and having red bumps. I don't know why. I'm not really using skincare or makeup, but yeah, overall I rate this 5 out of 5 stars. I recommend it. This actually works, guys. Please try it out. I'm begging you. Okay, maybe not that much, but you really should try this out. If you have those bumps from COVID, or just use it as a regular toner, it might work. But for those red bumps, it actually removed it, because I applied it daily, every day, once a day. You're supposed to use this twice a day, daily, but I didn't do that. So I don't know how it will work on my face or on your face, but so I feel like in my body work, it probably will work in my face. I don't know, I have really sensitive skin on my face, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work for me. And this smells good, like oranges. I don't know, I like it. And look, I'm always halfway in, like I'm trying not to, I'm not using it every day now because sometimes I forget, or I just don't want it to go to waste. I don't know, because I'm trying to test it out on my face for a month too, so I'm like, I don't know, I guess I get panicky. I don't know, I just don't want to, I don't know. And also some product kind of fell because whenever I play on my leg, I go like that, so with my hands. So I think that's kind of what made it go like really low, like waste product. So maybe if you use a cotton round, it would absorb. I don't know, but yeah, I just wanted to do that quick update. I recommend it. I love it. Y'all should try it. And yeah, bye. Thanks, Thayers, for gifting me this. They actually gave this to me for free to try out. It's not paid. I actually love it. That's why I get like, I'm getting so hyped and really recommending it. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.